Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of JNTech. I know it's been a while, but I've been super busy with college, and now that the semester is over, I can finally record more videos. So today I have an unboxing for you. This is an Apple Pencil. Not only just an Apple Pencil, but a fake Apple Pencil. So this just came today from AliExpress, and I thought I'd share this with you guys and do an unboxing and a quick review. So here you can see the packaging. Comes in the original Apple Pencil box, which is pretty cool. It's also pretty scary because if you buy this off of Facebook Marketplace and you don't know if it's fake or not, you can get scammed. Like, this is scary good. But some of the things you can tell is this, the packaging or the shrink wrap. Apple doesn't do this anymore. Well, they do, but they have a pull tab on one of the ends, and you can see that the seams for the shrink wrap isn't straight, so that's also another dead giveaway. And another giveaway is on the text in the back. So you can see some spacing errors, such as the space between the A and Apple and the pencil text and the second gen. So yeah, it also has a serial number. I don't know if it's from a real one. It probably is, but I'll put a screenshot. I'll put a screenshot of it in Apple's serial checker. So this would definitely fool me if I've never seen a Apple Pencil before. So yeah, you can see the end here. The shrink wrap job is very bad. Okay, so let's unbox this. Let's remove the shrink wrap first. Okay, so now that we have the sleeve removed, we can see it says designed by Apple in California here, which is also present on the real Apple Pencil box. I don't know if the real one is this thick, but it feels kind of cheap. So taking this out, okay, yeah, this is a dead giveaway that it's a fake Apple Pencil. Actually, I'm not sure what this is, but it does say Apple right here. Let's see, I don't know what this is. Okay, and next we have the Apple Pencil, the documentation right here. This basically gives you the instructions on how to pair it and how to replace the tip. Nothing on back. By the way, these papers feel very cheap. Also, warranty guide. I think this one's made out of different material than this. Actually, no, they're the same. Okay, so now onto the Apple Pencil itself. So one thing I can tell that this holder is plastic. The real one is made out of cardboard. You can also see that it has a bit of shine to it and the imperfections in the molding. Yeah. So the Apple Pencil does come with a plastic sleeve. It's just nice. Yeah, this is plastic. And see, it's also wanting to come apart right here. Okay. So this does have the Apple Pencil text on it, and something I can notice is that the text is lighter than the real ones. There's also text right here that shows the address of Apple Park. I'm not sure if that's present on the real one, but I'm pretty sure it is. Okay, so the pencil does feel real. It has a bit of weight to it. Almost feels exactly like the real Apple Pencil. I'm not sure what the weight difference is, but I'm pretty sure it's really close. The material also feels really nice. It feels almost like the actual one. Okay, so here's a tip. I'm not sure what tip it uses. I assume it's like the original one. Let's take a look. So yeah, it does use the original Apple Pencil tip, And I'm pretty sure the original one will also found this. This little gold nib right here, it's also the same as the real one. So yeah, let's try to pair it, test it, and see if it works. Okay, so one thing I should note here is that you can clearly see this seam at the top of the pencil. The seam is less visible on the real Apple Pencil, but here you can clearly see it. You can also see some of the imperfections from the molding. Okay, so here I have my iPad with me. I know the screen protector is cracked. I literally just cracked it like a few days ago. But I'm planning to replace it with a matte screen protector to use with this pencil. Okay, so to pair it, says you just place it on the magnetic thing right here on the top. Doesn't seem to be connecting or showing the pop-up. This should have the pop-up, but I'm not sure why it's not showing. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Try again. Nothing. Try the other side. Okay, we're in the Bluetooth settings, but I don't see the pencil anywhere. Let's go to Apple Pencil. Okay guys, I think I actually got it to work. So when I remove my case, oh yeah, it's working. So when I remove my case and put the pencil on top, you can see, or wait, never mind. But you can see in other devices, there's the Apple Pencil. Okay, let's try this one more time. Let's give it a few seconds. Okay, now pressing on top. Yeah, you can see it's the Apple Pencil. But it doesn't show the battery percentage, which is interesting. So let's connect it. Here. Okay, so it should be connected right now. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's connected. So let's go to Apple Pencil. Let's try Scribble again. Yeah, it does work. Let's try Good Notes again. So we're here on Good Notes. Let's see. Yeah, it does work. Sorry, my handwriting is bad. I'm looking through my phone to write as well. So testing. So it does feel accurate. Okay. Oh yeah, so one thing about this pencil is that it also has palm rejection. So if I place my palm on my screen and I write, it will still work. Okay, so this also does have tilt sensitivity. So here in the Notes app, I'm using the highlighter. So if I write it straight on, you can see it's thin. But if I place it at an angle, you can see it's thicker. That's pretty neat. One thing I noticed that this doesn't have is double tap to switch to eraser. So you can see I'm double tapping right here. It doesn't switch. It's kind of a bummer, but it's fine. For $20, I'm not complaining. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I'm really surprised on how real this thing feels. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I'm really shocked by how real this thing feels, and this would definitely fool me if it was my first time buying an Apple Pencil and if I had not seen one prior. So would I recommend it? I mean, for $20, it's pretty good. It's pretty close to the real thing. The only thing you're lacking is the battery notification on the pop-up and the double tap switch to the eraser. But besides that, man, I really like this. I'm gonna be using it for university next semester. So yeah, that's all I have to share for today. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.